Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my next topic, that is time and work. Time and work. Before we solve the problem, first let's get down with the basic problem. Let's get down with the basic concept and the formulas that we are going to use in this topic. For time and work, I'll be using this formula, STD formula, speed, time and distance formula. This topic is also you can use in the topic speed, time, distance, but most of the time and work I'll be using speed, time and distance formula. First you need to know this STD formula because it's very easy to remember. So STD, but sometimes people get confused where to put equal to. Speed into time equal to distance. Sometimes we forget the formula. So for easy remembrance of this, I will tell you the easy way to remember. Through a triangle, just put here, just put D, and here S and T. So this is it. That means distance equal to speed into time. Right. Suppose if you want to find speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. If you want to find time, distance by speed. Distance by speed. So from here you can derive these three formula. So always remember this triangle formula, this tricks to remember the distance formula, and this STD formula. So for this, suppose one guy A can do a piece of work, A can do a piece of work in 10 days, right? And B can do a piece of work in 20 days. Working together, A and B, in how many days can they complete both the work? So this is the questions. So this is the question. So for this, write S, T, and D. First write S, T, D. Write A, B, A plus B. It says A can do a piece of work in 10 days. 10 days means what? 10 days. It's a time, denotes a time, right? 10. B can do a work in 20 days. 20 days. A plus B, they're asking about this time. So to fill up this work, first you need to know the distance. Distance means this is equal to distance equal to total work. Work total. How do you find the total of the work? Whenever they say, whenever this is, you can't find this one. Just to find out the total work, you need to do the LCM of time is total work. Always remember this one. If you take the LCM of 10 and 20, this is, you'll get the work, total work or distance, anything. Let's say D. And for searching the LCM, you don't do the normal 10 on the 10, 10 on the 20. Don't use this method. Always use this method. 10, just write 10, 20. With how many you can cut? 5 for 20. You can cut by 1, right? 5, 10 1 the 10, 10 2 the 20. Okay. 10 1 the 10, 10 2 the 20. 10 1 the 10, 10 2 the 20. After this, cross multiply this. Just like this. 21 the 20. 10 to the 20. So they have LCM of 20. Right. Example 50, 200. Let's say. You can just cancel one. 5 ones are 5, 5 4 are 20. So the LCM is 20 ones are 20, 5 fours are 20. So the LCM is 20 again. So always use this type of method. Don't use the normal simple method. So here total work should be 20. The LCM of time, that is 10 and 20, will be 20. What is speed? Speed is what? Speed is I told you the formula of speed is distance by time. Distance by time. Right. So speed is distance by time. 20 divided by 10 is 10 to the 20. 21 the 20. Okay. And after this, A plus B. For speed, always add. Two plus 1, 3, and they are asking to find this one. So the distance is total work is 20. You should not add 20 plus 20 because this total work you can't add, it's 40. The total work is only 20 because both of them are going to do the particular work only 20 works. So to get for time, what is time? The formula of time. Time is distance by speed. Distance is 20 by speed is what? 3. So after writing 20 divided by 3, you can just divide 3 by 20. So 3, 6, 18, 19, 20. That is 6 whole number 2 by 3. That is time will be 6 whole number 2 by 3 hours. This is how we solve the problem. In the question they have given A, they have given B, and they are asking to find A plus B, right? They are telling us to find A plus B. This one first question. Likewise, in the next question they can ask the A given, A plus B given. They might be asking the question to find B. So in order to find B, it's just A plus B minus A. A plus B minus A equal to, you'll just get B, right? Same way, you can just calculate the problem in this way. You don't need to think too much. So let's get down to the real problem. So question number 1. Question number 1 says A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do a piece, same work, just this work, same work in 15 days. How many days the work will be completed if they work together? That means if they work together means A plus B. So for time and work, always use STD formula, right? Okay. Now write S T D. Like this, like this. A. For A can do a piece of work in how many days? 10 days. Then B can do the same work. B can do the same work in 15 days. How many days? Working together, A plus B. They are asking about A plus B time. How many days? Days. So they are asking about time. So first, whenever they give time or anything, first you need to find out the total work, that is the D. How do we find out D? LCM of time, right? 10 and 15. So the 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15. What did I tell you? Cross multiply. Right answer. 15 to the 30. 10 3 the 30. So the LCM is 30. The LCM is 30. Now to find speed. What is speed? What did I tell you? The formula. If you forget the formula, just draw a triangle. DST. Speed is distance by time. Speed is distance by time. Distance is 30 times 30 divided by 10 is 3. 15 to the 30. So the speed will be A plus B. One guy is 3 and one guy is 2. The speed will be 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Total work is 30. Here always remember that this is total work. It is not only the work of A or B. This total work is A 30, not 30 plus 30 is 30 only. So 30, the total work will be 30 because they are doing the same work. This is same work, same work. 30, so 30. So time will be distance by speed. Distance is 30 by speed is 5. So time will be 6 hours. Therefore time is 6 hours time. So in this way you can solve the problem. So if you know this type of problem, you can just find other patterns. They can ask to find the value of time of A or to find time of B. You just need to bring the formula here and there, and you can just do it. So let's get down with the second question. A alone can do a work in 12 days. Same work, A work in same work. A plus B working in 8 days. How long will it? So it's talking about B. First, what did I tell you? To write the formula of S, T, and D. First, draw this. A can do a piece of work in 12. The 12 days means what? Time. A and B can complete a work in how much? 8 days. What did I tell you about distance? Distance is LCM of time. 12 and 8. How can you convert 4, 3 are 12, 4 2 is 8, right? Okay, and do like this. 3 8 are 24, 12 2 are 24. So they have LCM 24. 24. Speed. What is speed? Yes, the speed is distance by time, right? Distance by time. 12 2 are 24. 8 3 are 24. So how long will B can do? How long? How long? They're asking. Long means time, right? They're asking about this. So to find B from here, A plus B minus A. 3 minus 2 will get 1, right? How do you find B from here? A plus B minus A, then cancel, then you just get here. So the total work will be same, right? 24 constant. So now time is, what is time? Distance by speed. Distance is 24. Speed is 1. Is 24 only hours. This is how we solve the problem of time and work. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.